My name is Eleazar and I'm from Nigeria. I work as a Sustainable Energy Communities Coordinator, and that simply focuses on fuel poverty and energy efficiency. We're focusing on communities in Northern Ireland. Specifically for this course, because I transited from architecture into sustainability, I needed hands-on experience for energy assessment to understand how buildings operate and perform over an extended period of time. It's been absolutely brilliant. The tutors are well informed, superb, intelligent, and they teach with a little bit of compassion. They don't go straight and hard on you. They are happy to take your questions. They are happy to expound on whatever you're confused about. It was absolutely brilliant. Yeah, the site visits were very, very valuable. Gives you hands-on experience on real life problems. This is you doing the real thing, like literally. So it's not like a theoretical knowledge. You're having a practical experience and you're asking questions while on site. Your tutors are there to guide you through it and show you how it's done, point out things that as a newbie you're not going to see, but they are able to point it out live on site, and that was absolutely brilliant for me. The reviews from Energy Trust were just outstanding. It was just above every other one, and it was quite impressive. It was really, really impressive. So I said to my colleague, I think I found the right one, and it's in Leicester. So yeah, we came down all the way. So I would recommend it to anybody, anytime, anywhere. Yeah.